Hi, this is Steve with Blue Ribbon Roofing with your roof report. We are out here today in Cypress, Texas, taking a look at a roof after Hurricane Beryl for a potential roof replacement through wind damage. This one does have some wind damage here, some minor things. The bigger issue here is just condition of the shingles for repairability. So with these, you have to be able to lift up one here, and you can see this one is deteriorated past the point of being able to do any proper repairs. So this is one that the insurance would need to take care of just because of the repairability. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for watching.